Okay, guys, I'm just going to show you how to use this great tool for mind mapping. It's called Coggle. I know there's lots of different mind mapping tools out there you've probably used. I think this is one of the nicer ones I've used before, and it's very good in terms of allowing you to collaborate with each other. Okay, so if you go, obviously, just type in Coggle in Google. You click on opening it up. Let's have a look so we can do it. Okay, I've got a Coggle account, so it's already taken me straight into the account. If you don't have one, if you just sign up for it, just get the free version. That's no problem. You don't need anything else other than that. It gives you a sort of three sort of private diagrams that you can use to start with. So that's all we actually need. So if I was going to create a new diagram, I literally would click on create diagram. Okay, I've already started creating one, and this is what we're going to do this lesson. So in terms of why do we take photographs, okay, one that we're using for my elements course. Now we want you to work on here collaboratively. So one member or one person in your team is going to develop the template to start with, and then you're going to invite other people to join. So if you look up here, you can see there's my funny little face in the icon up here, but there's a plus button here. Now this allows me then to invite other people. So all I have to do is type in another email address and hit send, and that will then obviously go to your email. From there, you will then be able to access this actual mind map, and you'll be able to work on it together. Okay, now I've asked you, for the purpose of this task, is to come up with as many ideas as you can to sort of suggest why do we take photographs. Okay, now all I've got to do is to start putting my ideas on is to hit the plus button. Okay, now within that, it then obviously allows me to sort of, so I'm going to say, let's say nature, or hold on, recording nature. Okay, so that's my first one. Now I might want to go in there and I might want to, you know what, I'm going to change some of the fonts. Okay, I can actually start, oops, no, I can't use that one, so I can just put it up in bold. I can also add an image to it. Okay, so I might want to have an image of, let's have a look. I've got an elephant here, so I'm going to add that to it. Okay, and then if I click away, there's my elephant image. Okay, but I've lost some of my text with it, but that's fine. That will come back up as we go. But you can see I can keep adding more and more things to it. So I'm just kind of giving you some examples here. So if you've got other things you want to add to the nature part, then that's great. So we can have as many of the branches coming out of different types of maybe wildlife photography that we could look at. But then we could start going, okay, well, we've got, say, wedding photography. We've got other types of photography. So I can keep clicking on this as many times as I want and keep getting different branches that are going to come out so that we can keep adding different ideas. And then from this branch, I'm going to have a few more coming out, and so on and so forth. So what you do, you end up sort of creating, and I can drag all of this, oops, I can't do it in this scene. So you can actually move this around a bit in terms of where you need it. And then what I want you to do is, once you've created that, take a screen capture of it, and that's what you're going to upload to your portfolio. Okay, so you're going to collaboratively work on making this mind map together using Coggle.